You can download videos from Chinese platforms and re-upload them to TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram to earn significant income. Since these platforms don't monetize copyrighted content, we'll source videos from Chinese platforms where TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram are banned. Instead of using the videos directly, we'll transform them with AI, converting them into anime or other styles. Finally, we'll apply some creative edits to make the videos unique and engaging. There's an Instagram page following a similar approach, racking up millions of views on each video. For instance, one video has 11 million views, another has 19 million, and another has reached an impressive 22 million views. First, open Kuaishou, a Chinese TikTok alternative. Explore the feed to find trending videos, avoiding the search feature so you can discover popular content. When you find a video you like, click the share button, copy the link, and then head to the Choose CC website. Paste the link, click Fetch Video, and then choose Save Video. Open the video in full screen, tap on the three dots, and hit Download to save it to your device. Next, we'll apply a style transfer using either Domo AI or Morph Studio. If you choose Domo AI, select the video option, upload your saved video, and pick the anime style. You can generate up to 3 seconds of video for free. And if you want a longer duration, consider purchasing a plan or repeating the process for multiple short clips. Here's the output. Alternatively, you can use Morph Studio. Select Video Style Transfer, upload your video, and click Adjust to choose a style like anime. Morph Studio offers 10 seconds for free. Finally, hit Generate. Here's the output. Try different styles until you get the result you like. Next, you'll need a transcript of the video. Go to Happy Scribe and sign up. Once you're logged in, click Create, then Transcript, and upload the video. Choose the original language, which is Chinese in this case. You have two options for transcription. A human can do it for you in 24 hours, or AI can do it instantly for free. Finally, hit Create. The process is started. Once the AI transcription is ready, copy the Chinese text. Use a translation tool to translate it into your preferred language. For voice generation, open 11 Labs, paste the translated text, and choose a voice. Click Generate to create the audio and download it. To create multiple voices for different characters, change the voice selection and generate the audio again. Repeat this for each character. To add background music, you have 3 options. First, use the video's original music. Start by converting the MP4 video to MP3 format, as only the audio is needed. Then, go to a vocal remover website and upload the audio file. This tool will separate the music from the vocals, allowing you to download just the original music. The second option is to generate music using AI. Head to the popop.ai website, input the video details, and click Generate. You'll receive 2 music tracks. Download one for free. The third option is to explore CapCut's or YouTube's audio library for suitable music. Now, with the visuals, voiceover, and background music ready, it's time to combine them. You can use any video editor. We'll use CapCut. Here I've adjusted all the voices according to the video. Drag and drop the music onto the timeline, select it, and choose Normalize Loudness to ensure balanced audio levels. To add captions, navigate to the Captions menu and click Generate. Once the captions are generated, select a template that suits your video. If the video contains original captions, like Chinese ones, overlay the new captions by disabling the Apply to All option. This lets you adjust each caption individually to cover up the original ones. Here's the result.
Are you doing something about it lately?
Isn't the answer obvious?
It's still you. It's dark. It's still you. Why are you me? Who are you?
I'm just a stinky fish.
For any question, you can always reach out to me on Discord. Links in the description.